Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sudha Singitam and if you are here for the first time, जल्दी से पहले channel को subscribe कर दो because next coming few weeks there is going to be some exciting videos about my Himachal trip. So few days back my friend Hina, she messaged me asking me that will I join her on Himachal trip. Then I thought that she is just asking for formality's sake and I just told Sudhi that she messaged me that will I join her for Himachal. Sudhi said go. I told her, have you gone crazy? It's not a family trip. I'll be going alone, and alone means with Hina and some 15 to 20 more strangers. So I will say no, I won't come. Then Sudhi said, no, this is a good opportunity for you. You should go and explore. I was like very confused. First thought that came to my mind was Dhiru. When I told Dhiru, the first thing he told was, Mama, मेरे लिए एक ziploc bag में snow लेके आना. My heart sank to my feet. I told Sudhi, no, I can't leave this boy even for one day. I will not go anywhere. If I have to travel anywhere, it will be with you guys. I'll not go anywhere. Then Sudhi said, he is 8.5 years old. He is not a small baby. You have to make him strong. First of all, you have to learn to be strong. After thinking for some time, I told yes. I have never gone to such adventurous trips even during my college. I have never even been to Delhi. I have never gone to north side of India. And whenever I express this to Hina that I am so nervous, I don't know how I will be able to manage. I am still confused whether I will be able to enjoy the trip or not. She told me, ये जवानी है दीवानी movie देखी? मैंने बोला हाँ 15-20 बार. Then you will be the nana of that movie. अंदर ही अंदर मैं बोलती रही कि मेरा बन्नी तो इधर है बैंगलोर में, घर पे बन्नी भी है और जूनियर बन्नी भी है. अब मुझे क्या जरूरत ये सब एडवेंचर करने की. सो विद दिस मिक्स्ड माइंड आई विल बी गोइंग टू दिस ट्रिप. जितनी एक्साइटेड हूँ उतनी ही डरी हुई हूँ. सो आई हैव टू फर्स्ट स्टार्ट प्लानिंग फॉर द ट्रिप. आई हैव टू बाय सम थिंग्स विच आई डोंट हैव एंड देन लिस्ट डाउन व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आई नीड टू कैरी. So this is one of my favorite store for all the sports gear. And before going to the trip, I thought once I'll come here. I needed some items like raincoat and all. Let's go inside and check what I can buy here for the trip. Chalo. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Is this microphone good? I just got this new JBL microphone that I have connected to the mobile, and I'm going to take this to the trip. I think this will help me a lot for vlogging outdoors. So 2 days left for the trip and I have to pack my bag, so I came here to pack the bag along with you. I have already kept all the things that I have to carry. Main thing is that I have to carry light luggage, and I am not a travel person who carries light luggage, but this time I have to carry my bag. There won't be any trolley or personal car, like we have to trek, sometimes walk along with the bag. So I have to carry light this time. You can see behind me everything I have kept ready. Just feel my heart inside. I bought some stuff for this trip specially. I'll show you those. Like, see this. This is a Wildcraft backpack. I ordered this from Amazon. It has got just one zip from the outside here, and then it will open into a big backpack. It's a 40-liter backpack, and this 4K camera which I'm going to use to capture the beauty of Himachal. This is just like GoPro, and you can see it is waterproof. After this series is over, I'll give a complete review of this camera. This is the camera, and it is getting charged right now to the power bank. There is an extra battery also, so I'll take everything completely charged, and I'll carry the power bank, a notepad, towel I got from Decathlon, and then some clothes, socks, eye mask. This is a cute umbrella that Sudhi got long back from Singapore, and we didn't use it till now. And now see, the tag is also not removed, and now it will be useful because it is so compact that it will not take space in my bag. Dryer, of course, because barish ka samay hai, so we need a dryer. Masks. This denim jacket, I'm just confused should I take or not, because it is little heavy but it looks cool for a trip. So I'll see after keeping all the stuff. If there is space in the bag, I'll keep this one also. This bag did not come with a rain cover, so I had one rain cover of an old bag. I'll just use this one, and then I'm taking some polythene bags for used clothes. So this is the raincoat I got from Decathlon, and this bag, you see, a 10-liter one, and so compact that it comes in a pouch form, and there I can use for day trek. Like if we keep the backpack inside the room, then I can carry my mobile chargers, camera, everything in this one. This is my new jacket from Decathlon, and few accessories, sanitizer, moisturizer, comb, brush and everything. Okay, so I need to pack the bag now. वो Instagram reel में होता है ना कि चुटकियों में ऐसे चुटकी बजा दिया, काम हो गया. I so wish that it comes true. Like I snap my fingers and the bag is packed. चलो ट्राई करके देखते हैं. By the way, do you know which places I am traveling in Himachal? Shall I tell it now? एक काम करते हैं, you just subscribe to the channel, and episode by episode you will eventually come to know which places I am traveling in Himachal. I hope you have enjoyed watching this prelude of Himachal series, and the other episodes are going to be even more fun.